Nads has asked how people inform clients about price rises. What do you what do you do? Do you get them to email out or?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's fair to email out and say from the 1st of February, our prices will increase by a fiver or whatever it is. And don't go by the pound because it's just not enough. But I do sometimes see people apologising on social media. I'm really, really sorry. I'm gonna put my prices up, and I hope you'll still come back. And I'm like, we don't need to make this into a drama. People don't mind. They won't probably notice. Like things that I like, hairdressing or something. I'll go, how much? Because I don't know what I paid last time. I can't remember. I'm not noting it down. Oh, it's £5 more than last time. I don't. I think this is often a money mindset thing in our minds. Whoever it is that are offering a service, it's our money mindset that we're fearful that people are going to judge us or walk away, and it's not the case actually.